Hello, friends. Good day to you all in your respective places across the world. It's another beautiful Monday, beautiful morning in this part of the world. With joy in my heart, I welcome you all to Lasogenic Biz Talk. This channel is dedicated to share with you my ideas on online investment platform, how you can make money for yourself online, around the cryptocurrency, the forex niche, and how to make some money for yourself on online investment platform in a legit way. So this is all I do on Lasogenic Biz Talk. And right here on my screen, this is the Pulse Telegram crypto project app. So we are all aware that Pulse is coming to an end gradually. For those of you that are mining, excuse me, for those of you that are mining, we all know that there are a lot of tasks to be done. We need to check our eligibility status and we need to invite friends. We need to ensure that you are doing all the tasks on daily basis or whenever they are being dropped. And for those of us that are yet to start mining, we still have the opportunity to start mining and to be part of the network. All right, so I will be bringing to you the latest information from Pulse and the latest tasks that needs to be done in this video. But before I go further, once again, I welcome you to this channel. If you are joining me for the first time or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly do that right now. Ensure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Set it to all notification so that you'll be continually aware whenever I upload a new video like this. And if after you have watched it, you found it to be very meaningful and useful, please do not hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Also give me a follow on other social media platforms that this channel is connected with. Alright, so back to the business of the day. Right now, this is my pause screen. As you can see, I have just 63,612 pause. I'm still in the newcomer rank, as you can see, the newcomer rank. So let's see for other rank that we have there. The newcomer rank, that is what I am right now. Okay, right now, so let's go to the end section. You can see we have home, leaders, friends, and end. So let's go to the end section to see the new tax that we have there. Under limited, we have no tax. Under the in-game, actually I'm here to do these three tasks because it requires some payment and to invite like up to 10 friends. But under this partner, you can see this we have two new tasks here: cook exclusive posts, do not, and join do not community. So let me claim, because I've done the first one, which is the do not token. I've done it. So let me click on the claim button and it has been marked. Then let me quickly join the community of the do not. Let me join the community of the do not token just once. Okay, let me quickly join that so that I can earn the 5k. All right, so I've done the task. So let me go back to my Telegram app to claim my earning. Sorry for the network glitch. Okay, pause, open. All right, so while it's loading, so you just need to know that there are posts they never post task on daily basis. So whenever they post it, ensure you do it because it's always have time frame. So let me click on claim, then I should have been awarded my token. Right now, I can see initially I had 63,000, but right now I have 73,000. So you too quickly go and do your tax right now before the time for it will pass over. Alright, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now. I love you all.